Hello one and all, my name is Mark. Today I will be creating a fun little small sketchbook, or as I like to call it, a dream machine. It only takes a handful of supplies and it's fairly easy to make, so let's make it. Here's everything we'll be using. Alright, let's get started off with a pile of computer paper. I'm using 4 pieces. If you have cardstock, that's even better. Be careful not to use too many sheets of paper. The stapler won't be able to go through correctly. We'll take this paper, fold it in half, and cut it evenly along that seam. One piece of paper makes 4 pages. For a shortcut, take one side of the pages that we sliced in half and use it as a stencil for your other pages. That way, we'll have a line exactly where we need to cut. Repeat this step with the following pages and you'll have yourself a nice pile. Once we have that cut, we're going to make the cover. We're going to take our craft paper, or construction paper works as well, just as long as it's thicker than the paper on the inside of the sketchbook, repeating what we did to our computer paper for the front cover. We take this paper and make the same line as we did previously, then cut from there. So we have 2 covers to make 2 sketchbooks. We'll set one aside for next time. We're going to take one of those covers, fold it in half hamburger style, so we know where to staple for later. Now let's put all of our pieces of paper together with our cover on the very top. Make sure to keep your paper aligned for this part so your pages come out evenly. Staple it along the center line at least twice. I'm going to staple it 3 times to keep it sturdy. Fold at the center and you have yourself your very own DIY sketchbook. If you're watching this video and your name is Maya, make sure to share this video with your friends and they too will have a dream machine just like you. Thanks for watching.